In this video, you will learn how to insert text into any shape in Adobe Illustrator like a pro. For the best result, always make sure your text remain editable. Next, we have a bottle vector shape. Keep in mind that the shape should not be expanded. Now select both the text and the shape together. Go to Object, then Envelope Distort. Click Make with Top Object. Instantly, your text fit perfectly inside the bottle shape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Illustrator and graphic design tutorial.